Do you know what superfoods can boost your body's performance and why they are called super? Superfoods, my friends, are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with essential nutrients that energize our bodies, enhance our immune systems, and keep us at our peak performance. Imagine harnessing this power to fuel your day, to feel vibrant, and to live a life of vitality. Superfoods are the secret ingredient to that recipe. Isn't that something you'd want to explore? Now let's dive into the world of these superfoods. First on our list is the mighty salmon, a powerhouse of omega-3. This fish is not only delicious, but also packed with benefits your body craves. Its high omega-3 content contributes to improved brain function, keeping your mind sharp and focused. Additionally, it supports joint health, ensuring your body moves smoothly and comfortably. But that's not all. Salmon's omega-3 also aids in maintaining a healthy heart, promoting overall cardiovascular wellness. So, don't forget to include this omega-3 rich superfood in your diet. Next up is the wonder nut, walnuts. Now, these aren't just your regular snack. They're a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. Dive into a handful of walnuts and you're giving your body a brain-boosting treat. They help improve cognitive function and reduce inflammation. Plus, they're great for managing weight. Yes, you heard it right. They keep you feeling full and satisfied, making them a smart choice for those watching their waistline. Walnuts are not just crunchy, they're also a brain-boosting superfood. Moving on to the mighty seed, chia seeds. These little powerhouses pack a punch, brimming with omega-3 fatty acids. They're not just for sprouting on pottery animals, oh no, they're a secret weapon in the fight for better health. Chia seeds are known to boost digestive health, keeping things moving smoothly. They're also great for your heart, helping to maintain healthy cholesterol levels. And if you're watching your weight, chia seeds can help there too, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Chia seeds, a tiny superfood with enormous benefits. Last but not least, the supergrain, flaxseeds. A powerhouse of nutrition, flax seeds are a treasure trove of omega-3 fatty acids. This nutrient-dense supergrain is a crucial component of a balanced diet, providing an array of health benefits. Flax seeds are a rich source of dietary fiber, promoting better digestion and ensuring a healthy gut. They act as a natural laxative, helping your body cleanse itself and maintain a robust digestive health. The high omega-3 content in flax seeds is instrumental in reducing the risk of various types of cancer. They contain lignans, which have antioxidant properties that inhibit the growth of cancerous cells, providing you with a protective shield against this deadly disease. Moreover, flax seeds are a great ally in your weight loss journey. Their high fiber content keeps you feeling full for longer, curbing unnecessary snacking and overeating. Plus, they're loaded with healthy fats and proteins that support muscle growth and fat burning. Flax seeds, a super grain that your body will thank you for. So, these were the superfoods your body craves for peak performance. We've journeyed through the omega-3 Oasis, discovering the power of superfoods. We've explored the benefits of salmon with its heart-healthy fats and high-quality protein. We've cracked open the world of walnuts, revealing their abundance of antioxidants and brain-boosting properties. We've delved into the realm of chia seeds, tiny but mighty powerhouses of fiber, protein, and omega-3s. And finally, we've unearthed the versatility of flax seeds, these humble seeds with a punch of nutrients that aid digestion and reduce the risk of heart disease. Each of these superfoods is a testament to the saying that great things often come in small packages. They are nutrient-dense, offering a myriad of health benefits in every bite. Including them in your diet is a simple yet effective step towards optimal health. Remember, your body's performance depends on what you feed it. So make the right choice and fuel it with these superfoods. Stay healthy.